Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes. In the previous class, we have learned about physical features of our earth. What are the physical features? Like landforms and water bodies, right? In today's class, we'll start a new block, that is block 20, climate and landforms of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, what is the climate and what are the landforms? Landform means what? Hills, mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts. We have learned in the previous class, right? That only we will learn in the what are there in Andhra Pradesh. We will learn what we have learned in the previous block. We have learned about what are the physical features are there. Now in Andhra Pradesh, that landforms, what are there, like deserts where are there, like plains, plateaus, where it is in Andhra Pradesh, where it is we will see. Okay, now in S1, location of the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. First, in India we have learned about landforms, but first of all, where is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana we should see, right? In India map, where is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, we have to point it out, and then we have to see the next, what are the neighboring countries, sorry, what are the neighboring states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, what are the neighboring states, what is the water bodies are there nearby, everything, what in the Andhra Pradesh and in Telangana, what are the districts are there, everything we will learn in the S1 children. Okay, now everyone open page number 124. Okay, we'll read from the reader.
Yes, children, we are starting a new block, block 20, climates and landforms of Andhra Pradesh. Yes, children, background to this heading, you can see one map. Yes, you can see one map, that is physical map of, political map of India. What do you know about this map? This map is about India, and we can see different states of India. You can see here different states of India. Hyderabad, you can see so many, right? So we have different states of India. So we can also see where our state is located on the map, and where our neighboring states are Afghanistan, Pakistan, China. Yes, we have Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. These are the Nepal. These are the neighboring countries. We can see our states is located on the map, which are our neighboring states. The location of the water bodies, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, water bodies, different districts and capitals of districts and capital cities. A state is divided into two small children, that is districts or zillas. Today we will learn about the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Andhra Pradesh, about the location of Andhra Pradesh in India and its states, districts, and neighboring states. This is the Andhra Pradesh, children. So we will see about Andhra. You can turn the page and you can see the figure of Andhra Pradesh. Yes, you can see the figure map of Andhra Pradesh. See here Andhra Pradesh. These are the districts and cities of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, we will read the districts and its neighboring states. You can see here neighboring states: Andhra Pradesh, Andhra, Telangana, and Rayalaseema. So this is divided into three parts. District map of Andhra Pradesh, regions of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, now we will read the matter, children. Andhra Pradesh is one of the 28 states in India. It is located in the southern part of India. Andhra Pradesh has Bay of Bengal on the east, and many states as its neighbors. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. What are the neighboring states, children? What are the neighboring states? You can see here. See, this is Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Maharashtra, down Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. See, you can see here. Maharashtra, northwest. This is north side and this is west side. And what is next? Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is in the south, down. And Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Where is Odisha and Chhattisgarh? Here. Odisha and Chhattisgarh. This is the northeast side. This is west and this is east. Where is Karnataka? West side. These are the neighboring states of Andhra Pradesh. The states have three main regions. What are the three main regions? The coastal region is called Andhra. Coastal region is called Andhra, that has East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasham, Nellore, Srikakulam, Vizianagaram and Vishakhapatnam. See children, you can see it here. Srikakulam, Vizianagaram, Vishakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasham, Vijayawada. Yes, you can see here. And next one, the interior or southwestern region is called Rayalaseema, that has Kurnool, Chittoor, Kadapa and Anantapur. This part children, Rayalaseema. Kurnool, Kadapa, Anantapur, Chittoor. Yes, and the northwestern region is called Telangana, Hyderabad, Adilabad, Khammam, Karimnagar, Mehboob-nagar, Medak, Nalgonda, Nizamabad, Rangareddy and Warangal. This is the Telangana. See, Adilabad, Karimnagar, Nizamabad, Warangal, Medak, Hyderabad, Khammam, Rangareddy, Nalgonda and Mehboob-nagar. So this is the Andhra, Telangana and Rayalaseema. Okay children. So Andhra Pradesh is located in southern part of India. It has many neighboring states. What are the neighboring states? Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Odisha and Chhattisgarh and Karnataka. What is the capital city of Telangana region? It is Hyderabad. Some other major cities of Andhra Pradesh are Vishakhapatnam, Tirupati, Nellore and Vijayawada. Name 3 regions of Andhra Pradesh, which is districts. How many districts are there in the Andhra Pradesh? Where do you think most people live in Andhra Pradesh? There are 3 regions. What are those 3 regions? Andhra, Telangana and Rayalaseema. Each region is divided into many districts. Many districts it is divided. And a district is also called a Zilla. Having a smaller districts makes it easier for the government to help the people better. There are 23 districts in the state. In the state, we have 28 states in our country children in India. And how many districts in Andhra Pradesh? We have 23 districts in the state. Telangana has 9 districts, Rayalaseema has 4 districts and Andhra region have the 10 districts. Hyderabad is the most populated city in the state, Hyderabad. Okay children, look at the map of Andhra Pradesh and locate Vishakhapatnam children. Okay, now where is Vishakhapatnam? Locate Vishakhapatnam in this map. Yes children, see here, you can see Vishakhapatnam. Yes, so where is the Vishakhapatnam is located? Why do you think Vishakhapatnam is important city of Andhra Pradesh? Why is Vishakhapatnam city is important in Andhra Pradesh? Because Vishakhapatnam is located in south east side. This is the east, right? North, south, east and west. It is located in the southeast side and east of Hyderabad. The city is located among the hills of the Eastern Ghats, and it faces Bay of Bengal. Here we have Bay of Bengal children. On the east, many ships, various parts of the world passes through this area. So it is one of the India's largest seaport and has one of the oldest shipyard, which Vishakhapatnam. Okay children, this is about the reader. Now let's do the workbook. Everyone open your workbook. Yes children, did everyone open your workbook? Page number 20. We are doing S1, location of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Now write today's date. Today's date is 30-12-2020. Okay, first bit. Mark the following on the given map. We have to mark. They have given the map here. They have given the places also. By using the map, you have to locate it. Okay. The Bay of Bengal, Hyderabad, Vishakhapatnam, all the neighboring states of both Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, of the districts of Guntur, Nellore, Anantapur and Rangareddy, Karimnagar and Warangal. We have to locate all these by using this map. You have to locate it children. Okay. Let's do it. Now what is the first one? The Bay of Bengal. The Bay of Bengal is this side. So you have to write it here. Bay of Bengal. Okay children, what is the second one? Hyderabad. So where is the Hyderabad? You can see here. You can see here Hyderabad. So you have to locate it here. Okay, children. So we will locate. This is Telangana, right? So we will locate here. Hyderabad. Okay, what is the next one? Vishakhapatnam. Already we have seen the Vishakhapatnam here. See here, Vishakhapatnam. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one. So here we will locate here. We will locate here, children. Here it is here. Okay. Vishakhapatnam. Vishakhapatnam. Okay, children. Everyone locate here. Hyderabad, Vishakhapatnam finished, and all the neighboring states of both Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. What are the neighboring states? See here. See in this map. Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka. Here we have Tamil Nadu also. Here you can see easily, you can find it out. See, on Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So we will point out this. Okay. So here it is Maharashtra. So write down here. Maharashtra. Maharashtra. And here we have, next what we have? Chhattisgarh. So we will write here. Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh. Next here only we have Odisha. Orissa. Odisha. And next what we have? We have down Karnataka. So write it down here, Karnataka. 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 And here we have Tamil Nadu. Tamilnadu. Tamil Nadu. So these are the neighboring states. Now next what we have? Neighboring states. The districts of Guntur, Nellore and Anantapur. We have to write. See here you have Anantapur, right? So we will write it down here. Anantapur. So here you have to write Anantapur. 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 And next what we have? Guntur. So point, see here where we have Guntur. See children, here we have Guntur. So you have to write it here, Guntur. See children, you have to write here Guntur. 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 And next what we have? Down only we have the Nellore also. See here we have Nellore. So here we will write Nellore. 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 And what is the next? We have finished Guntur, Nellore and Anantapur. Now Rangareddy, Karimnagar and Warangal. You can see here Karimnagar, Warangal and Rangareddy. So that only we will point. Where it is that? It is in Telangana. So we will do it, children. Okay. Here Rangareddy. 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 And next what we have? Karimnagar. Here we have Karimnagar. 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 And next what we have? Warangal. 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 So this is the map pointing, children. By the help, if you don't understand, by the help of the map also you can point it out. Okay. Or you can see here, you can observe the map. Where I have written the places, point it out there and write down the places, children. Okay. Now let's do the second one. Why is Vishakhapatnam an important city in Andhra Pradesh? I have already told you why it is important. It is important because of it has a Bay of Bengal to the next, and it has the ship passes through this area. Vishakhapatnam serves as a part of city for the state. Many people works here. So let's see the answer. Why is Vishakhapatnam an important city in Andhra Pradesh? Vishakhapatnam is an important city in Andhra Pradesh because it lies right next to the Bay of Bengal. Ship passes through this area. Vishakhapatnam serves as a part of city for the state. Many people works here. So this is the answer, children. Write it down. Okay. Take the screenshot or anything and write the answer, children. Okay. Now everyone open your reader. Turn the page to 127. Copy down this 5. We have 5 keywords and 5 glossary. Coastal, climate, landforms, plateaus and unit. Okay children, these are the 5 glossaries and keywords. And turn the page and copy down this map, children. Yes, Telangana is Hyderabad. So write C here. Telugu and Urdu, languages of Andhra Pradesh. A. And Vishakhapatnam is in Andhra. So B. Vishakhapatnam is port city. So D. And coastal region is Andhra. B. Answer is C, B, D. C, A, B, D, B. C, A, D, B, children. Answers are, okay. Telangana, Hyderabad, Telugu and Urdu, languages of Andhra Pradesh, Vishakhapatnam, port city, coastal region, Andhra. These are the answers, children. Okay. Complete your workbook S1 and write keywords, glossary and match the following, children. Okay. Thank you.